nanzi izinto ezimbalwa lawo ongathi nxa usenza igrocery yakho uzi-ede ku-grocery list yakho. Zi-very good, zi-very helpful. Awudingi ukuthenga zonke, awudingi ukuthenga any of them nxa ungazithandi, but just in case izinto yakuzibone and awukwazi ukuthi ziqakatheke kangaka emzimbeni. Number 1 and my favorite liyayazi chia seeds. Ama-chia seeds are highly soluble fibers ukuthi ungawanatha aya-controla i-absorption yechukela ekudleni kwakho, njalo aya-improve i-insulin sensitivity kuma-cells. 2 yi-broccoli. Yayibona i-broccoli nxa ukwanisa ukuyithola, it is very high in antioxidants. Iyakwazi ukwelapha ama-cells naturally. I-high in fiber, nxa sithi asidleni ukudla okule-fiber, is one of the best choices ongayithola enikeza i-fiber. At the same time, iyancedisa ama-cells ukuba insulin sensitive. Number 3 is cinnamon. Yeah, whether it's cinnamon powder, whether ngama-cinnamon sticks, i-cinnamon iyakopa, iyamimika i-insulin, iyazenza ngani yona i-insulin, so iyancedisa ukuthi ama-cells akwazi uku-absorba ichukela without activating a lot of insulin release from your pancreas. Angithi vele sibalekele ukuthi i-pancreas ibilokhu i-release a lot of insulin, so wena nxa ukwanisa uku-incorporate i-cinnamon buyifaka ekudleni kwakho, kumbe uyifaka emanzini akho, kumbe etiyeni yakho, kumbe unatha yona leyana cinnamon tea, is going to help you in that aspect. Number 4, ama-avocados. Ama-avocados bakithi, they are very high in fiber. Ayancedisa ukuthi ukudla kuslowe down ukungena ku-bloodstream. At the same time, alama-healthy fats. Khumbula ukuthi umzimba uyawadinga ama-healthy fats la for i-cell function, for regulating ama-hormones, for izinto eziningi nje ziyayidinga i-healthy fats. So you need that avocado. Ungananzelela mnganami, awushort i-avocado. I-Greek yogurt, yeah? Ngase sikhulume ekudleni maybe oku-processed, fair and fine, i-Greek yogurt i-processed. Kodwa nxa ukwanisa ukuthola the natural, adingi i-Greek style, but i-natural yogurt ngokwayo, i-Greek yogurt, ngoba i-style ngezama ukukopa i-Greek yogurt. Nxa uyitholile, it's very good. Remember, i-gut microbiome ifeeder on izinto ezi-fermented, yeah? So i-Greek yogurt is one of those. Naturally, iya-feeder your gut microbiome. Angikwasese kunumber 1, kodwa ama-olives. Nxa ukwanisa ukuthola ama-olives, kufanana lokusebenzisa futhi olive oil, is the same thing. A-contain ama-polyphenols. Ama-polyphenols ayancedisa ukureduce i-inflammation emzimbeni. Ayahila ama-cells, iyancedisa ukuthi ama-cells abe insulin sensitive again. Dlana ama-olives nxa ukwanisa ukuwathola. Sebenzisa i-extra virgin olive oil for ukupheka, for ukwenza izinto ezehlukeneyo emzimbeni wakho. Even nxa usenza ekudleni kwakho, even nxa usenza ama-salad dressing akho, I hope alisathenge ama-dressings. Uyakwazi ukuzenzela, ungahlanganisa extra virgin olive oil, uthi maybe le vinegar kancane, ufake maybe le lemon, whatever ngendlela ofuna ngayo, kumbe uthi mbijana le black pepper, it's up to you. Ubususithini ekusalad yakho laphana, usungenise ama-polyphenols azancedisa kuma-cells akho. Berries, uzafuna ukuthi nxa usithi uyazispoila ngama-fruits, ukhethe ama-berries. Ama-berries ngabe sikhuluma ngama-blackberries, ngama-blueberries, ngama-strawberries, ngama-fruits angcono in terms of i-fiber. Ama-fruits amaningi vele wonke alechukela, but amanye aba le-high glycemic index, higher in chukela than i-fiber. Ufuna ukuthi into yakho elechukela ibalance nge-fiber and enough ukwenza ukuthi ingaspike amachukela akho. For example, awusoze uthi wena ibanana, especially eseli-yellow, uthi hayi uyalidla vele ngapha umuntu ole problem yechukela. Into leyana ayila enough fiber, kodwa ile too much sugar. Unlike ama-berries, loba elechukela ale low glycemic index, kodwa ele so much fiber. So i-fiber leyana iyakhepha, iyacontrola indlela ichukela ecine ingena emzimbeni wakho. So indlela ozakudla nxa ukhetha ama-fruits akho, one of the best fruits ngama-berries, and uzafuna ukuthi uwadle with your food. Eat them at the same time. Uqeda ukudla imili yakho laphana, zidlele some berries akho, ukwenzela ukuthi ungabe lokhu spike insulin up and down. Asi-snack on fruits, siwadla with our meal. Next one is turmeric. Asisichilo kuma-number, sakwazi ukuthi siku-number 1. I-turmeric, whether i-turmeric powder, kumbe i-turmeric ngokwayo i-root yakhona, whether ufake etiyeni, kumbe kubuya kungama-turmeric tea leaves, kumbe i-spice osisebenzisayo, it is very good, it is anti-inflammatory. Ungezinto kuthiwa i-anti-inflammatory ikhupha i-inflammation liyana khona kwenza imikhuhlane emzimbeni. Into eyi-inflammation yinto ecina ngo-TIS emzimbeni, njengokuthi kuthiwa ule gastritis kumbe ule arthritis, tis yena lwana, it's inflammation in the body. So into e-anti-inflammatory ihamba isiyalungisa ama-cells wona lawana asebe inflamed, asehamba through oxidative stress, and turmeric is one of those. Remember nzange ngithi hamba uthenga yonke into yona le, okunye awukuthandi kumbe awukutholi, it doesn't matter. I'm just giving you examples ukuthi lawe nxa ubhoda laphana esitolo sakini ukubone and you don't mind getting it, zithengele. Khona futhi okunye okubizwa kuthiwa ngama-basil seeds. Maybe nxa ungathanda ama-chia seeds kumbe uwakwanisa ama-basil seeds. Mina ngiyakwazi ukwathola ama-basil seeds kodwa angiwathandi, ngiprefer chia seeds. So when nxa ukwazi ukwathola, they are also very high in fiber. Actually, they are said to be higher in fiber than chia seeds, and are high in omega-3. Omega-3 is good for our brain cells, memory, and basically they are very good for insulin sensitivity as well. Basil seeds, you can check them. You use them the same way you use chia seeds. Good sea salt, a very good sea salt. It doesn't matter what salt it is, whether it's Celtic salt, whether it's pink salt, or whatever etholakala khonapho, kodwa as long natural sea salt. Sizama ukubalekela ama-processed salts. Nxa ungasebenzisa i-processed salt, well, but the best to be sea salt, ibuya lama minerals awo. Ama-sea salts are very high in minerals, and you need those minerals. Remember, nxa uhydrate ama-cells, nxa unatha amanzi akho engela salt, awuhydrate kuhle ama-cells. That's why kwesinye isikhathi uyanatha amanzi, after 2 minutes uhambe uyethambisa, uyanatha uhambe uyethambisa, because you are not actually hydrating the cells. Ama-cells lawa sifuna ukwalapha. Ekwalapheni kwethu, one of the things sifuna ukuthi abe well hydrated. So ungafaka uthi qho okulisawudo kwakhe emanzini akho wanathayo, you are healing your cells. Ungawesabi ukufaka i-sea salt yakho emanzini akho loba ule hypertension. Angithi siqedile ngakho ukuthi i-hypertension ayikhozwanga yisawudo. Ngiyabonga.